Today's operator signal is this: AI agents now have a meter. For the last year, most teams bought AI tools like software seats. $10 a month here, $39 there, maybe an enterprise license on top. But the agent era changes the economics. A quick autocomplete, a 5-minute chat, and a multi-hour coding agent that reads files, runs tools, reviews changes, and loops through errors do not cost the same to operate. GitHub made that shift explicit. Starting June 1st, Copilot usage moves to GitHub AI Credits. GitHub says usage will be calculated from token consumption, input tokens, output tokens, and cache tokens priced by the model used. Code completions and next edit suggestions stay included, but chat, CLI, cloud agents, spaces, Spark, and third-party coding agents consume credits. For businesses and enterprises, credits pool across the organization, and admins can set budgets at the user, cost center, organization, and enterprise level. That sounds like a billing update, but it is really an operating model update. Agent work is not just prompt volume. It is context size, model choice, number of tool calls, retries, test runs, file reads, code review, and how long the agent keeps working. The same business outcome can have very different compute cost, depending on how disciplined the workflow is. At the same time, NVIDIA and Microsoft are moving agent workloads closer to the user. NVIDIA announced RTX Spark powered Windows PCs designed for personal agents with local model execution, up to 128 gigabytes of unified memory, and support for large local contexts. Microsoft says Windows is being optimized for secure local agents with OS-enforced identity, containment, manageability, and user control over what agents can access. That matters because not every agent task should round trip to the cloud. Some work needs frontier reasoning and shared infrastructure, but other work like searching local files, drafting from private context, debugging code, transforming media, or iterating on a private data set may be better handled locally or in a controlled enterprise environment. The future is not cloud versus local. It is intelligent routing. NVIDIA also announced Vera, a CPU built for agentic AI at hyperscale. The key point is that agents stress more than GPUs. They compile code, execute runtimes, query databases, run sandboxes, call tools, evaluate results, and coordinate state. NVIDIA is saying the AI factory now needs CPU, GPU, storage, networking, and orchestration tuned around agents that take actions, not just models that answer questions. OpenAI's latest chat GPT release notes add another signal. Model lifecycle churn is normal now. GPT 4.5 is scheduled to retire from Chat GPT on June 27th and O3 on August 26th, while the API is unchanged. For operators, that is a reminder that model access, behavior, cost, and availability are not static. Your workflows need version awareness, evaluation suites, fallback plans, and a calendar for model changes. Microsoft Build starts tomorrow with sessions on production-grade agents, open source agent governance, observability, evals, state management, file access, and multi-agent systems. That is the right direction. The winners will not be the companies with the most agents. They will be the companies that know what every agent costs, what it can touch, how it is evaluated, and when to route work to local, cloud, or human review. Here is the operator playbook. First, inventory your agent usage. Separate autocomplete, chat, code review, long-running agents, browser agents, and background workflows. They have different cost and risk profiles. Second, put budgets where behavior happens. Enterprise caps are useful, but user and workflow budgets are what prevent surprises. Third, route by task. Use fast, cheaper models for routine work, stronger models for high judgment tasks, local agents where privacy or latency matters, and human approval where action risk is high. Fourth, measure cost per useful outcome. Do not only track tokens, track pull requests merged, tests passed, tickets resolved, hours saved, defects avoided, and rework created. Fifth, build model lifecycle discipline. When a model retires or pricing changes, your process should not break. Run evals, maintain fallbacks, and keep prompts, tools, and permissions versioned. The takeaway: Agentic AI is becoming real infrastructure. Infrastructure has meters, budgets, routing rules, reliability targets, and governance. Treat agents that way now, and you will get leverage instead of surprise bills and brittle workflows.